Hey, my name's Shane Wackerman,
And I'm Philip Murray.
and this is Cal Poly Pomona's Grow Pod, and come on a harvest day with us. Welcome to the future of growing. Before we start harvesting, we're just gonna check for any burnt leaves or any burnt foliage, any rotten foliage, and after that, we'll begin harvesting.
The best part about the pod, it's a clean environment. You can literally pick it, eat it. Enjoy.